Fabtech is the place to see all the new innovations coming out in the welding industry. But it's also a lot of fun. We popped into the kickoff party at the Hard Rock to talk to the sponsors and ask them a few serious questions as well as some not so serious questions. Welcome to Fabtech.
What's up, Jason Becker? We're here at the Hard Rock Cafe. We're going to ask you our set of two questions. The first question is, what's the hardest part about getting new students and the younger generation into welding?
I think we got to show them it's cool. Everybody's obsessed with becoming a social media influencer or the next gamer or YouTuber or something like that. We got to show them that welding is just as cool as that.
Where can they learn more about it?
They can go to school. I just opened up a school in Orlando, Underground Metalworks. Check your local school, high schools, trade schools, post-secondary schools. I mean, get into it. Get the education up front.
Second question. Can you show us with your hands how big is 6 inches? Can you measure 6 inches? We'll let you decide. That's it.
Hey, what's up, buddy? So I've done the Careers of Welding trailer a couple times as a volunteer. We used a virtual welder over at the school, the Lincoln Vertex, and then right before I left, we got the Vertex 360. So it's like 2 stands, so you can have 2 welders on one machine. So it's pretty slick. The Careers of Welding trailer is awesome because people get to get on there, and maybe they haven't heard. Hey, thanks for that, bud.
All right, now that we got you pinned in a corner, Jeremy, we're going to get you with your 2 questions.
Number 1. How important is it for manufacturers to know welders?
I mean, that's who you're building the equipment for. You got to understand us. Also, in return, you got to understand you.
Second question.
If you had one superpower, what would it be?
I don't know if I could say that out loud.
It's X-ray vision. We know. You just want to see everyone nude.
Semi-permeable X-ray vision.
Sure, we'll go with that.
I'm glad that didn't go everywhere. What's up? 2 questions. Outlaw Leather at the Hard Rock. We got our drinks. We got our nachos, right?
First question. What is your favorite hood that you make?
The American flag. My second favorite, the Texas welding hood that we make. That's iconic. It's even in our logo.
And where can we get one?
At our website, outlawleather.com.
Outlawleather.com.
Second question. Who's the worst welder in this room?
JK.
Mill Outlaw Leather. First question. Are the fiber metal sugar scoops hood rated for grinding?
No.
Can you elaborate?
No.
You're not supposed to grind with them.
You are not, no. That's one of the reasons why it doesn't have a flip up.
Oh, so that's why it's only a modification that you can put on it.
Correct, 100%.
Oh, that's not OSHA.
Ooh.
Second question. How do you feel about cream cheese?
Disgusting.
Can you tell us a little bit about Outlaw Leather?
I'm here at the Outlaw Leather booth. These guys are total badasses. Don't forget, you don't want to mess with Texas. You're fired.
You're fired.
All right, we're here with Chucky from Flametech. Got the 2 questions teed up for him. First question, what is the main use for a thermal lance?
Non-ferrous cutting.
Non-ferrous meaning?
Cast iron, metal that has a lot of junk in it, slag, whatnot.
What about copper?
It'll do copper as well.
It'll cut copper.
Anything that's non-ferrous. Come on.
Second question.
What is your favorite dance move?
Probably the bus driver.
You got good grip on that thing?
Doesn't get better than that, folks. Doesn't get better than that.
And we're back with 2 questions with Brian from Blue Demon. As far as filler metals go, what is the best filler metal with all the right stuff inside of it? You can weld just about anything.
Well, Blue Demon, of course.
Right.
Give me like 312, 309.
309.
I'm gonna go with 309 as my final answer.
Second question. What are the secret ingredients in the Colonel's Special blend?
Well, it's called foo-foo dust. That's actually what it's called.
Explain.
I can't, it's proprietary.
Fabtech 2023 Blue Demon weld porn.
Yes, sir.
Y'all got the spread over here.
That we do as always.
You got the gloves, you've got hoods.
So we got rid of the batteries for the hood. So now the Pando is chargeable by USB cord. and you can get days of usage out of it, so it's pretty strong, and it gives you plenty of warning before it's about to go dead.
Put a speaker on there and have Brian's voice say, quit it.
Absolutely.
Got your 2 questions teed up for you. You ready?
Yes, let's go.
All right, how does Fronius differ from your competitor?
Wow, it's a large question. I can answer it in a variety of ways. So I say the number one thing is the amount of resources we put in research and development. So we're a technology provider. We just don't come out with the equipment as copycats. We're always thinking about the end users.
Second question. Could you make an attempt right now to sell me a gallon of eggnog if it was summer in Florida?
Okay. All right, so think about it, right? You're out working and you don't have access to water, and I'm here. I have something that's a liquid-based foundation. You're thirsty, you're parched. It may not be as good as water, but it will do.
That's all I got.
All right.
One of my favorite features of Fronius that I've seen is all the interchangeable torches and just how fun they are to play with.
They do a lot of stuff. Push button.
Dude, that's probably one of my favorite features right there. They got the torch for just about anything.
Whatever torch you need.
Frank, you're messing up their display. We're here at the Hard Rock. 2 questions, Up in Smoke Welding Apparel. Yep. Your first question, what is the Thorax FR jacket rated to as far as the heat?
It can take a lot of
1200 degrees Celsius.
Well, yeah, I can take that. Depends where it gets hit, right?
Okay, where can I get one?
You get it at upinsmokeweld.com.
Second question, how much Canadian bacon do you get from a goose?
About 12 pounds. Yeah.
12 pounds?
That's a good return.
That's profitable.
Oh, 100%.
Check.
All right. It's like a regular fabric. It actually has a special resin that's put on it. What that resin does is it encapsulates each fiber and it blocks in between each of those individual weaves so that when the sparks hit it, it sheds the spark really well. Boom. And on our jacketed versions, even the way the snaps go is completely opposite. So it sheds the sparks quite well. Well, look at you guys.
Full coverage.
Full coverage. See, look at this.
For them big boys, this is tough.
We got O2 Armor Clip here. The first question is,
Yes, sir.
what is the smallest particle that an O2 Armor can stop?
We filter at 65% efficiency at 2.5 micron. It can filter smaller than that, but the efficiency rating goes down from that point. But find them on O2armor.com and Amazon.
Second question, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would
Yes.
you rate yourself?
Myself, I'm always a 10.
10 all day.
Yeah, look at how hot I am.
Damn!
You know, who wants to take their work home with them at night in their nose?
Yeah, no.
Everybody does
Black
that.
boogers are gross,
So
man.
gross, yeah.
Snout cam.
This is the O2 Armor in action. See, not protected, protected.
Cliff, you didn't tell me that you were a metallurgist. Metal is my and Cliff knows metal, and I thought he was just a nose guy, but really, he's a metal guy. Dude, for real, this is baffling. I'm flabbergasted.